Dear students of third year psychology, welcome to in my class. As you know that we are currently studying applied psychology, and today's topic is biological basis of human behavior, in which we will talk about the brain structure and function, nervous system, and what are neurons and parts of nervous system, and endocrine glands. As you know that the basic unit of human brain is called the neuron. The neuron is consisted of three parts. One is called the neuron cell body, which is consisted of a nucleus, and the outer parts of the cell body is branched, and these branch structures are called dendrites, which are connected to the rest of the cells, and then you can see a branch like arm like structure extending from the cell body. This is called the axons. Axons is having a outer layer which is called the myelin sheath, which actually protects the electrical activity, and the end of the neuron is called the terminus, which is connecting to the rest of the neurons of the brain. Then if we look at what is nervous system, you can see that nervous system is actually having some two main divisions. The one is called the central nervous system, and the other is called the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is consists of brain and the spinal cord, whereas peripheral nervous is again divided into two subdivisions. One is called the parasympathetic, and other is called the autonomic. The somatic part controls the voluntary movements of the skeletal muscles, and autonomic part controls the self-regulation activity, actions of internal organs and the glands. Then if you go further, we can see that autonomic nervous system is again having two parts. One is called the parasympathetic nervous system, and other is called the sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is called the arousing nervous system, and parasympathetic nervous system is called the calming part, because in an emergency or in certain situations, sympathetic nervous system increases the eye pupil, and it causes an arousal in the different bodily activities, whereas parasympathetic nervous system, when the situation is in control, again calms down in the different parts of the body, and it helps to normalize the physiological activity into the body. Now if we go further, that what are the different kind of the endocrine glands, and you can see in our brain there is a master gland which is called the pituitary gland, which controls the hormonal secretion levels into different glands all over the body. That's why it is called the master gland. Then if you go to the neck, then there is a thyroid gland. In your on your kidneys there are adrenal glands. In your sex organs you have ovary and the testes. So there are different kind of glands which also play a vital role into the performance and the activity of the body. Thank you very much. Have a great day.